Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're finally going to get a chance to take Tamiana out for a drive. Before we do though, we're going to listen to a cold start, if you can call it that, clip, and we're going to talk about it for a minute. Then we're going to take it out for a drive. When we come back, we'll talk a little bit some more, and then we'll talk about where we go next. I don't remember ever walking around the car and showing it to you. This is it, 2007 Miata, NC1, if you're into that sort of thing. Stock wheels, stock everything. Bumpers beat up, top's trashed. It was in a little fender bender while somebody else was driving it for me. So I gotta get a new fender, a new bumper, and a new rear bumper, and a top. Interior's a little dirty, and that driver's seat's pretty beat up too. But I think at some point I want to put a lowered seat in it and a roll bar so we can take this thing for track days. So let's jump in. Well, we're just leaving the house right now. I gotta take my hat off because it likes to blow off in the car with the top down. So as soon as we get up in the mountains, I'll put the camera on the outside. We can see how this thing handles a mountain road. Kick it into manual mode and we'll drive with some paddle shifters, you know, have some fun with it. I know, I have to be the only guy in the world to ever buy an automatic Miata. Somehow that managed to happen, but it is what it is. So, I'll see you in a minute. Hey, we made it back from the drive just fine. The car sounds pretty pathetic, but it drives actually pretty nicely. So what we're looking at doing next is pulling the exhaust off of it. I think I'm going to make my own custom straight pipe dual exhaust. Hey, I've jumped around. So I started shooting at the outro, and I decided I wanted to keep talking a little bit and try to get some input on what you guys think we should do next. Should we lower the car with just springs? Should I order struts? And then what do you guys think? So leave a comment down below, or go find me on Instagram or Facebook, leave a comment there. Maybe we'll see what comes next. And then we're super excited to see the video that comes out probably Friday. We're finally going to be doing some stuff with the quads. There'll be some video from the race last weekend, and then finally doing some work on it, getting it ready to race again in a couple of weeks. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Follow me on Instagram, 465 Miranda. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.